Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. All major U.S. stock indexes closed down today. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,738.52, dropping by 112.40 points. The Dow 30 index suffered a 797.61 point decline to close at 47,457.21, and the Nasdaq Composite index closed down 536.10 points, finishing at 22,870.36. Market breadth was notably negative today across major U.S. indexes. The S&P 500 index saw 361 declines, outweighing 134 advances. Similarly, the Dow 30 index had 21 components declining against 9 advancing. The Nasdaq Composite index saw 2,408 declines versus 665 advances. This trend continued across other indexes. Reviewing total and average daily returns, the S&P 500 index shows a mixed positive trend year-to-date with a 14.57% return. The Dow 30 index follows closely with an 11.55% year-to-date return. The standout performer, however, is the Nasdaq Composite index, boasting an 18.43% return year-to-date. Among U.S. sectors, energy set the pace, climbing 2.16 points to close at 692.11, backed by a strong positive trend. The healthcare sector experienced volatility, dropping slightly by 0.37 points, while staying in a strong positive trend. On the downside, basic materials closed lower by 4.20 points amid mixed trends. Turning to the weakest sectors, consumer cyclical suffered the most, down 53.10 points with a recent downward breakout. Technology followed, losing 138.30 points amidst mixed trends. The communication services sector declined by 7.50 points, marked by a downward breakout after a flat period. In global markets, the Philippines iShares ETF managed modest gains, closing up 0.9 to 23.69 despite a strong negative trend. On the flip side, Malaysia iShares ETF edged down by 0.3, yet continues to ride a very strong positive trend. Examining returns, Norway's ETF saw a robust weekly gain of 1.75%. Meanwhile, the China ETF, though down slightly today, displays strong year-to-date returns of 37.56%. In France, ETFs hit intraday highs before retreating, showing strong positive trend despite the day's dip. In the tech sector, Alphabet saw a significant drop of 2.8%, closing at 279.12 after breaking downward from a sideways movement. Nvidia also declined sharply, losing 3.5% to end at 186.97. Meanwhile, Apple and Amazon both closed down for the second consecutive day, with losses of 0.19% and 2.7% respectively. In contrast, Meta Platforms gained 0.14%, closing at 609.89, despite being in a very strong negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 98,502.35, down by 3,160.83. It's been dropping for 3 days straight, with a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is down 244.34 to 3,168.75, extending its fall to 4 days and showing a strong negative trend. BNB at 911.98 decreased by 41.3 amidst mixed negative trends. Solana currently at 141.75 tumbles, down 11.51, maintaining a very strong negative trend. Dogecoin, priced at 0.1602, is down 0.0098, continuing its 3-day downward streak with a very strong negative trend. In the crypto markets, we see notable movement over timeframes. Bitcoin has had a week-to-date total loss of 5.94%, despite a positive year-to-date gain of 5.51%. Ethereum shows 11.55% decline week-to-date, while BNB has a promising year-to-date increase of 30.1%. Meanwhile, Solana dipped 13.8% this week, and Dogecoin faced a steep drop of over 49% year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Currently, the US dollar-Japanese yen pair shows strength as the dollar is up by 0.29%, standing at 154.529. Meanwhile, the US dollar-Swiss franc pair is down at 0.7929, retreating for the third consecutive day with a strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports. And check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.